Hi everyone, welcome back to the Uncharted Gamer. My name is David, and this is my daughter,
Chloe.
Chloe. Yes, it is. What's up, Chloe? How you doing?
Good.
Good. You don't seem good. You seem tired. Well, all right, guys. Well, we are back with our second unboxing video for the set of Kingdom Hearts statues that we're going to be doing. So, Chloe, are you excited?
Yeah.
I think she seems excited. All right, she's excited. All right, so show them what statue we're going to be unboxing today. The first statue we did was Sora. Our second statue we will be doing in the Kingdom Hearts series is...
Dun 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 dun.
Who is it?
That.
Who is it?
Goofy.
That's right. Yes, it is Goofy from Kingdom Hearts. Now, once again, like my other video, this is by Diamond Select Toys. They must have a partnership with Gamestop because these are Gamestop exclusive statues only. So, Chloe, show them the box. Show them around. Just turn it around. Show them what's up. Not open it yet. Turn it around. They want to see the outside, the inside.
There's that side. This side that you can see Goofy. And the other side that you can see Goofy.
Cool. And we found out in the first one, you can actually open this front panel. It has Velcro on it to show the statue without having to open it.
There's Goofy.
Nice. There you go. So that's actually pretty radical.
Okay, now let's
All right, pop it open.
I'm gonna use this box for something of one of my dolls or something. Like a dollhouse.
Wow. Anyways, guys, hopefully you guys are playing the Kingdom Hearts game like I said in my previous video.
This will be good for my floors.
It's like I'm not even here. I'm not even here.
Ooh.
I'm gonna get this out of the way for you. I believe I pre-cut it somewhere. There we go. Well, like I said, hopefully you are enjoying the Kingdom Hearts games. If you have not played them, please play them in order because they are amazing.
I opened it with my own finger.
Oh, right here, this side. Okay, that's it. Just that there. You just flop it open. There you go. Boom. Have that.
There you go.
So again, this is Goofy. He is one of your allies on Kingdom Hearts. It actually looks... Yes, that's how the shield works. So let's take a closer look at what it looks like. Okay, the paint job actually doesn't look too bad on this one. So again, the shield is pretty flimsy. So if you do handle it a little bit carefully. His ears are okay, but again, still flimsy. Put those down. That's not what we're here for. All right. So, show them a closer look at this. Put those back right on over there. Hold it closer. Actually, what is that? Okay. Looks like some of the glue. We'll hold it closer so they can see. Now, also, I will have a separate video, as I always do, a closer look at everything that we unbox. I'll have a separate video detailing exactly what it is. Even though you probably already know what it is, but what's the fun in that?
Hi, I'm Daddy the Goofy Man.
Oh my goodness. Alright guys, well, hey, thank you for joining us. Hopefully...
His pants are big.
His pants are big, just like mine. That's why they keep falling. Gotta get a new belt.
Wait, this can move?
That can move, but it does not move. It can break. It can break. It's not supposed to move.
Why is his ears up?
Because he's trying to listen, I guess. Something you don't do.
Why does he have an angry face though?
Because he's upset. Because you don't listen. Alright guys, well, my name is David again. This is my daughter.
Cinderella.
I guess it's my daughter Cinderella.
Chloe!
Cinderella Chloe!
Hey!
Thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget to
Remember my name, Chloe. And subscribe.
subscribe. I will catch you guys on the digital side. Talk to you soon.
Big butt.